Uh, Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to raise an important matter. The peoples residing in the northern part of the Btr Assam, adjacent to Indo-Bhutan border, have been facing drinking water scarcity since long time. Sir, because of the drinking river water, the villagers have been fallen victim of some communicable disease and non-communicable disease such as TB, malaria, etc. On the other hand, the government scheme, due to the geographical formation of this area, comprising large boulders, gravels, and highly permeable strata, the installation of the conventional ground-based water sources such as ring wells, shallow tube wells, and hand pump is technically unfeasible. Sir, the departmental study shows that the groundwater table in these areas lies at a depth ranging from 100 meter to 120 meter below ground level and is observed to be declining at an alarming rate each year. Analysis of historical groundwater data from deep tube wells of existing 5 water supply schemes indicates a consistent downward, and approximately 20 years ago, the groundwater table was at around 60 meter depth, which declined to about 70 meter a decade ago and has now further fallen to depths ranging between 90 meter to 110 meter. Sir, it has been observed that the discharge from existing deep tube wells is insufficient to meet the prescribed norm of 55 LPCD, and the yield continues to decrease progressively each year. In many locations, the deep tube wells completely dry up during summer months, leading to severe water scarcity. Sir, considering the above facts, it can be reasonably concluded that if this trend continues, the deep tube wells in the region are likely to become entirely non-functional in the near future, resulting in an acute water crisis affecting both human and livestock population. It is pertinent to mention that these border areas are predominantly inhabited by economically weaker sections of society, making them highly vulnerable to water scarcity. Sir, in order to avert the impending crisis and ensure sustainable access to safe drinking water, the implementation of surface water-based river source drinking water supply scheme is imperative. If such projects are implemented along the entire stretch of villages adjacent to the Indo-Bhutan border, the drinking water problem for both humans and animals can be resolved on a long-term and sustainable basis. Sir, in view of the persistent and acute water scarcity across villages situated along the Indo-Bhutan border in all the districts of Bodoland Territorial Council, I strongly recommend to the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Government of India, to implement the surface water-based drinking water supply projects on priority. Sir, thank you, sir.